First names in the log. Technically a replacement log, but still the first names.
Are you writing our names on?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the date today?
DNF Avenger. It is the...
What's the date today?
16th.
And I need to put Doramore in here?
Yes, please. And Marty.
MTC.
You didn't get out of the boat.
So guys, we're starting a geocaching adventure kayak style out here on Buntzen Lake, bright and early in the morning. Brylang already found our first cache. Nice work!
Yay!
On his first voyage in his new kayak. Good job. Now let's safely get back in our kayak.
This is Goose Poop Island, by the way.
Yeah, clearly. Hey, Mrs. Monkey, go find us a geocache. Hey, Mrs. LANMonkey.
Hey.
Did you find the geocache?
I did.
And? Was it everything you were hoping for?
It was findable.
It was
So,
signed?
yes.
There you go. Awesome. So nice work, and now we're going to start paddling our way back. Let's head back after this little part of the adventure, maybe do a little hike. How are you enjoying doing all the work?
Well,
Do you want me to help out?
sure, that was good.
Alright. Awesome. Alright, well, that's our little paddling adventure on Buntzen Lake, finding 2 geocaches out by kayak with our friends. Brylang's first time out in his brand new kayak. Everybody having a great time. Alright, so remember to follow us on Instagram and Twitter at LANMonkeyGC, and of course, always cache safely and cache off.